We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. Deacon and his milkers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Back! Sound the alarm! Get to the tower, get on the phone. Hurry! Kyle, get up there and secure the gate. Move! Back! Man the seaplane! Incoming from the south! Get down! Cover it!
He's going for the gate!
Stop them! Gunboat! Stay down! Helen, I got her! The girl! I got the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Signal the deacon! Well, we'll see like that. Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Who's got that golf ball? Hold that thing up nice and high. Little kid's got my golf ball. No, it's okay. You might need these people. Agnes. Brothers and sisters! Deacon! We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right? Shut him up, Ricky.
Yes, sir!
You'll never shut us up. That's Ruder has spoken. And he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Yes, my flock, dry land. We are going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
Deliver fine dry land, Deacon! I won't let you. Neither will the mariner.
The Mariner. Hey, Chuck, shut that gate. Are you talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend. The guy that poked out my eye.
Yeah, look what he did to him! Look! And he's bald!
I can see. Bring me the girl. Right over here, please. Helen. Hi. May I offer you a smoke? Wait a minute. Don't do that. Don't. You like games, don't you? Yeah. Well, I'm a big fan of games myself. Let's play. Keep an eye on her. Guys, what you got up there?
We got an A-toller! And he's got dirt!
Dirt. How about that? Well, I need to know the way to dry land. Dry land! So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone! He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
And this guy is the loser! Drop him! Oh, no. Did you know that guy? You're gonna tell me where dry land is, Helen, or you're next.
Since you're approaching at high speed!
What are you shooting, Chuck?
He's gone!
Chuck, so help me.
He's gone under the water!
Oh, it's him! The man is under the water. Guys, gunfire right now! Helen! Hey! Can I say anybody can leave before the party was over? You're dead! You're gonna be gone. Get that girl for me! What are you calling, Ricky? Crying out loud, the man is right here. I can see him and I've got one eye. Vernon! Hey! I'd like you to take this guy's head and rip it off of his body. Tear his head off. He's got guns, he's got water, he's kicking our butts. Like that. Well, how many battles is this guy gonna lose?
Like 6, 7.
The girl is getting away!
Are you alright?
I'm all right also. What are you doing with the fish boys? He's not your kind. Actually, he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet this flounder. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was awesome! Come on, we need to go. Just let me move. Oh, you're fired. You're hired again. Give me another weapon. Chuck, what are you doing? Give me a weapon, will ya? Weapon!
Hey, Mom! How about this?
Chuck, are you all right? You're an idiot. Got this one. Yeah, let's go, me and you.
No! Hey! You got something on your face! You got something on yours! I think you got him.
Helen! You have something on your back. Why is he still alive? I let you die dead! Get on top and get that seaplane back in there. Have a blast everything the kingdom come. I'll take care of the freak. Oh, Shut up, Chuck, I'm working. Chuck, come in! Sorry. I need something bigger. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy. Look what I found. Big Bertha. I sliced it, didn't I? It's been a minute. Will you do me a favor up there, Jam, and stand in one spot? Ooh! They're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I hate Chuck. Thank you. Golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Somebody signal my seaplane! Somebody! How do you like that? I think all of my men are dead. What? Yeah, well, your boyfriend is dead too. Climb the ladder, please. Thank you. I've got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. Yeah, that'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, the two of us. Savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Okie dokie. Why don't you just show me the way?
Okay.
Let's take it! You better go back, Helen. We got a plenty of cash. Come on, fish boy. Let's go.
On the endless seas of